is glycolysis, a basic concept. It is the first step of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. Cellular cellular respiration. Three processes are mainly involved in cellular respiration, that is glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. Second process is the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix. Mitochondrial matrix. And the third one is electron transport chain plus oxidative phosphorylation occurs in inner mitochondrial membrane. Mitochondrial membrane. Here we will discuss about the basic concept of glycolysis. It occurs in cytoplasm. It is first of all discovered by Imberden, Meyerhoff and Parnas in 1938. So it is also called EMP pathway. It is also called anaerobic respiration. Respiration because there is no need of oxygen for oxidation of glucose. Although glucose breaks down into pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid with the release of ATPs. And two hydrogen atoms which are accepted by NADH, NAD, to reduced into NADH plus H. So the reaction of glycolysis may be written as glycolysis is the 10 enzyme catalyzed reactions, which may be described as in skeletal form. Now we draw the skeletal form of the glycolysis. This is the glucose. First, this is the first reaction. Then the second reaction is the change of glucose 6-phosphate into fructose 6-phosphate, and the third reaction is the formation of fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Now they all the three steps having 6 carbon atom compounds. Now fructose 1,6-diphosphate breaks down into 3 carbon atom compounds, that is dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Again, in fourth reaction, fructose 1,6-diphosphate breaks into 2 compounds of 3 carbon atoms, that is dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which again dihydroxyacetone phosphate changes into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, that is 5th reaction. And the 6th reaction is the formation of 1,3-diphosphoglyseric acid, that is also called 1,3-DPGA, and again 1,3-DPGA releases 1 phosphate group to form 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Again, phosphoglyceric acid changes into 2-phosphoglyceric acid. The 2-phosphoglyceric acid releases 1 hydrogen atoms to form phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and phosphoenol pyruvic acid is finally changes into pyruvic acid, that is end product of glycolysis, pyruvic acid. All are 3C carbon atoms compound.